Welcome back, everybody. Hope you're out having fun getting some fishing in. Even though a lot of the water is still pretty high, you'll find some great pools and runs where fish will be stacking up and hiding in. When picking flies to fish this kind of water, it may help to tie something on the fish can see a little better, like this fluorescent green soft tackle. Or something with a little flash, like this flashback pheasant tail. And of course, something like a chartreuse copper john, just to give some fish something to see. So get out there and have fun. Tight lines, everybody.